In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix app verification error. Let's get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, try switching to mobile data and see if that helps. A weak connection is one of the most common reasons verification fails. Next, double check your account details. If you're trying to verify your account, make sure your name, email address, and any other required information are entered correctly. Even a small mistake can cause the verification process to fail. Also, if you are waiting for a verification email or code, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails get filtered there, so you might miss them if you only check your inbox. If the issue is not fixed yet, completely delete Temu app from your device, then restart your device, then launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu and then install it. Now, try to verify your account. With these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.